In this video, we are going to build this Make It Block birds from Dollar Tree.
Welcome to Chuck's Bricks. Let's build Make It Blocks.
Yes, in this video, we are going to build this birds. It's $1.25 US dollar. It contains 39 pieces. So here is the instructions. One little piece of paper, two sides. So let's get building. Step one, we take this inverted bow slope, and then we took this plate that has studs on two sides, and we put that on our inverted bow slope. Step two, we take this 1x4 plate, and then we'll put it on what we have already constructed. Okay, it's a little tight. So step three, we are now going to, on the other side, take the inverted bow slope, this time just a plate, and we'll attach that on. Then on the top, we're going to add two plates, one above the studs on the side, and then one on the end. Step four, we are going to build here. We got this piece. On that, we are going to put this stud, but actually has stud on both sides. And then next, we're going to take this cheese slope that has a stud on it. So that cheese slope has a stud on there on the slope. Then on the top of these two plates, we'll once again put these plates with studs on the side. So we'll put those two on. We got the studs on the side, and then on top of the one on the end here, we'll put what we just built here. Okay, step five. We are going to take this brick, which has studs on two sides, and we're going to put a clip in both of those sides. So we'll put that in the middle here. We'll put a 1x1 tile on the top on the front and a 1x4 tile on the back. Step six, across the back here, we have this 1x4 bow slope that of course has a brand name on it. What would you expect? Greenbrier International. Then on the side, we'll put this round jumper. And then we'll put the first little feet on. Step seven, we're going to continue on the side. So we're going to add an eye to that round jumper. And we're going to take this 1x2 round plate, round edge plate. We'll put a bow slope with a 45-degree cut on it and a semicircle plate. And we'll put that on the side. So we're going to turn over the instruction, work on the other side. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to take our round edge plate, put on the rounded slope there, tile with a cut, and then our semicircle tile. Okay, and then we'll put that on the side here. So next step, we'll once again put our 2 by 2 on there. And we're going to put these little wings on. Step 10, we'll add our other foot on and our other eye. Then we'll put this horn in the front there. Ooh. There we go. And then on the bottom, on the feet, we'll put this piece. Almost looks like binoculars, but they're too far apart to be binoculars. Okay, oop, knocked his eye off. Okay, these eyes are going to be difficult for me. Okay, and where do we go next? We're going to start building something for him to stand on. So we take our 4x4 plate. We'll add our 2x2 round jumper. And we'll put a bottle top on. Then step 12, we have a clip piece. And then we're going to put on some greenery, because on that clip piece, we're going to attach our little bird. So there is our bird. So there is our bird from all sides.
Thanks from Chuck's Bricks. Until we build again, please like and subscribe.